बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in today's class we will solve question number 9 to question number 12 of exercise 5.4 inshallah. Exercise 5.4. Question number 9 is which smallest number can be subtracted from 15,198 to get it a perfect square? Now students, this number is not a perfect square and question is that which number should be subtracted from this number to get it a perfect square. For this purpose, we have to find square root of this number, and whatever the remainder is, that number must be subtracted from given number to make it a perfect square. So let's find its square root. Let's start solution. First we will put the signs of square root and then we will write our number under it. Make pairs from right to left. In first pair you have 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 minus 1, we have nothing. 51 will come down, and for 51 you have to make your new divisor. 1 plus 1, 2, and with 2 we have to guess 2. 22, 2s are 44, subtract these two values, we get 7, 98 will come down. Now 22 will be added into 22 plus 2, 24. With 24 we have to try 3. 243, 3s are 729. And now students, remainder is not 0. If remainder is 0 means it is a perfect square. But remainder is not 0. In remainder we have 69. Means 69 is the smallest number that can be subtracted from given number to make it a perfect square. If we subtract 69 from this number, from our question, that the new number then the new number will be a perfect square. Question number 10 is find the number that gives 992.8801 after multiplying itself. So we have to guess the number so that number multiplied with itself and we get this number 992.8801. For this purpose we will take the square root of this number. Let's start our solution. First of all we will write our number, then we will make pairs from fractional portion. We will make pairs from left to right, and the whole portion we will make pairs from right to left. So the first pair is 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 9 is nothing, 92 will come down. 3 will be added in 3, 3 plus 3 6, with 6 we will apply 1. 61, 1s are 61. If you apply here 2, then 62, 2s are will be greater than 92. So 61, 1s are smaller than 92, so we have to apply here 1. Now subtract these two values, we get 31. It is the turn of decimal, decimal will move upward. The next pair will come down, that is 88. Now your new dividend is 3188. For this you have to make new divisor. 61 will be added in 1. Whatever you have to multiply with 61, the same number will be added in it. 61 plus 1, 62. With 62 we will apply 5 and we will multiply it with 5. 625 multiply by 5, we get 3125. Subtract these two values, we will get 63 and 0, 1 will come down. In 625, 5 will be added and we get 630. With 630 we have to apply 1 also here. 6301, 1s are 6301, subtract them, remainder is 0. Hence the number 31.51 is the number that gives us this given number after multiplying with itself. Question number 11. Find measurement of sides of rectangle. Rectangle is given to you and question is find measurements of its sides. Means you have to find its length and its width. Next condition is given to you. Length is 4 times of its width. This length is 4 times of its width. Means when you multiply width with 4, then you get its length. And area is given to you, that is 51.84 centimeters square. Now let's start the solution. First of all, we will write the given information. What are the given information? Find measurement of sides of rectangle means you have to find length of sides of rectangle. Well, this is the first thing. Second thing, length is equal to 4 times width. And the third thing that is given to you is area is 51.84 centimeters square. So we have to write all of these three informations. First of all, we will write area of rectangle 51.84 centimeter. Then question is find measurement of sides. So we have to write measurements of sides of rectangle is equal to question mark, or length of sides of rectangle is equal to question mark. Then condition is given to you that length is 4 times its width. So you have to write length is, instead of is we will put equality sign, 4 times we have to write 4 of, we have to write multiply width means when you multiply width with 4 times then you get length. Look at here this is width and this complete is length. When you multiply your width 4 times then you get its length. This is the condition that is given to you. So here we have to suppose that width is equal to x, because nothing is given to you, not length not width, so you have to suppose something here. So let's suppose that width is equal to x. If width is equal to x, then length will be equal to 4x. Got it? If width is equal to x, then length will be equal to 4 multiplied by x, and that is 4x. Now students, this is our width and this is our length. Now you have to apply formula of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So what is the value of length? Instead of length we will write 4x, and instead of width we will write x, and instead of area of rectangle we will write its area that is given to us 51.84 centimeters square. Now we have to simplify it. 4x will be multiplied with x and we get 4x square. X multiplied by x, powers will be added. Here power is 1, here power is 1, 1 plus 1 2, so we will get here 4x square, and 51.84 centimeter will come as it is. Now here we have to find value of x. In this, from this equation we have to find value of x. We don't need this 4 with x, we don't need this square with x. So first of all we have to move this 4 from x square. Here 4 is multiplied with x square, as there is no sign between 4 and x square, means there is sign of multiplication. So we will move this 4 on other side. When you move this 4 on the other side of equality, it will be divided. What you will get? 51.84 centimeter square divided by 4, and x square will come as it is. Now in rough work, divide these two values, we will get 12.96 centimeter square and x square. Now since we need value of x, not value of x square, so simply take square root on both sides so that you can get value of x. By taking square root on both sides, we have to put square root. On right side, square will be cancelled out with square root and we will get x. While on this side, we will take square root just like this. 3 3s are 9, 12 minus 9, 3, point will move upward, 96 will come down. 3 plus 3, 6. With 6 we have to apply 6, 66, 6 are 396, remainder is 0. So 12.96 square root, answer is 3.6 cm. This is value of x. Now what was the x? X was the width. Hence width is equal to x, that is equal to 3.6 cm. Similarly, we also find value of length. How we will find the value of length? Since length is 4 times its width. Length is 4 times its width. So you have to multiply 4 with width. 4 multiplied by 3.6 cm and 14.4 cm. This is your length and this is your width of rectangle. Question of your exercise, question number 12. Area of a circular swimming pool. Now circular swimming pool is given to you and its area, its covered portion is 154 meters square. Find out the radius of swimming pool. You have to find radius. Now first of all tell me what is the radius. Radius is the line that joins center of the circle to any point of the circle. This line may be radius. You can draw radius from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. In all the cases, you have same radius. So what is the radius? Radius is the line that joins center of the circle with any point. Now area is given to you and question is find out its radius. Let's start solution. First of all, we will write given information. First information that is given in question is area of circular pool is 154 meter. So area of circular swimming pool is 154 meter. The next is find out radius. So radius of swimming pool is equal to question mark. Now we have to apply formula of area of circular pool or area of circle. As in previous questions, we have to apply area of square, area of rectangle. Since here circle is given to us, so we have to apply which formula? Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square, where r stands for radius and value of pi is given to us, that is, and this value is known, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Value of pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and it remains same. Value of pi does not change ever, it remains same. So first of all we have to write formula, then we will put values in this equation. Got it? This is the symbol of pi whose value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now put the values. Area of circular pool is given to us, that is 154 meter square. Here pi and r square as it is. In next step, put value of pi, that remains same. Wherever you are, value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14 if you write it in the form of decimal. R square will come as it is. Now students, since we have to find value of r, so we don't need 22 by 7 with it, we don't need this square with it. So first we will move 22 by 7 on other side. Here 7 is divided while 22 is multiplied. So when you move this 22 by 7 on other side, the division will be converted in multiplication and multiplication will be converted in division. So we will get on the other side 7 by 22. Got it? On other side 7 will be multiplied and 22 will be divided. This is the rule. When you move any sign on other side of equality, it will be converted in its opposite sign. Multiplication will convert in division, division will convert in multiplication, addition will convert in subtraction, and similarly subtraction in addition. So here r square is there. Now simply students solve it. Multiply 154 with 7 and divide with 22. We will get 49 meter square and here we have r square. Now since we need value of r only, so simply take square root on both sides. So by taking square root on both sides, what will happen? Square will cancel out with square root and we will get r. 49 meter square, take square root of 49, 7 sevens are 49, so 7 is the answer, and meter square will be cancelled out with square root and we will get m. Hence r is equal to 7 meter and r stands for radius. Students, in homework solve question number 9 to question number 12 and send the clear images till 9 p.m. Jazakallah.